Hi, Beatrix and Tyler. It was so nice speaking with both of you today and getting to learn more about your company. I just want to give you a brief overview of the strategy I discussed today about how you can retarget people that have abandoned items in their cart using one of your clients' Bow River trout fitters. So, for the purpose of this video, I want to use a sample customer journey for someone that might be interested in the Echo 3 rods. So, what we're able to do is we're able to put together ads of people that have landed on specific pages who have taken specific actions. So in this case, let's say someone has landed on this page, the Echo 3 switch, and they've clicked add to cart, and they've also visited the checkout page, which is here. So we can install pixels on this page, put triggers on when people are adding to cart, and also when people visit the checkout page, which basically tells you they're ready to check out. So when we install pixels, Facebook will be able to track them, similar to how you run it on Google. And then the next time they visit their page, they'll find this in their feed where we can put together an ad like this. Obviously, this would be the Bow Rivers page, not necessarily our page, but this is just a sample. It would say something like this: Did you forget something? You left your Echo 3 rods in your shopping cart. Get $10 off plus free shipping if you complete your purchase today with promo code ECHO. Headline: Get $10 off your purchase. Learn more. Brings people right back to the checkout page where they have items in their cart. Another thing that we can do is put together educational content. So maybe they were interested in the page, maybe they just landed on the page, clicked away, but weren't really serious. Something that you can do to push them down the funnel would be to create a video ad, such as what the Echo team has already done, kind of doing a break test here.
As every day we get a chance to break fly rods is a good day. And Jamie, we are going to break what rod today?
Today we're breaking the Echo 3 11-foot 8-weight switch rod.
So putting together videos like that, helping people understand that, hey, this is a high quality rod. It's not going to snap. It's not going to break on you. You'd be surprised at how much engagement this type of content will get, especially because it's very targeted, it's highly specialized to people who have already shown interest in purchasing this type of product on the website. So this is another type of ad campaign that we can run that's more pushing cold prospects down to becoming warm prospects, or just converting the warm prospects through an ad like this, where we're just offering them a freebie, whether it's a $10 off plus free shipping, just to kind of get them to take that action, and putting together a promo code to make it happen. So many different ways we can do it. But we just wanted to show you a strategy of how we would put that together. Kind of back to the custom audience. We can create a custom audience for every single one of your SKUs. If you wanted to run some tests on certain SKUs that maybe matter more to others, and maybe you have some Google Analytics on products that maybe get a lot of traffic, a lot of interest, a lot of hits. Potentially running some testing with Facebook retargeting there. Would love to show you what we can do. And just let me know if you'd like a proposal. Typically, we can work. You can engage us in several ways. One of them might be just helping you set these up and optimizing these, which would be a certain amount of time. Maybe it's just creating the creative. We can create video content around specific SKUs. We actually find that when we were able to put together video content, it's very, very effective. Or we can kind of package it all together. So if you just let us know what you might be interested in, we can put together a proposal for you and then plan a call together to overview that proposal together, and maybe put together a small project to do some testing and eventually work together long term as your trusted social media partner. So Beatrix, Tyler, really appreciate the time watching this video today. Just let me know what you would be interested in terms of a project, and I'll put together a proposal for you. And look forward to keeping in touch soon. Hope you have a great rest of your week, and we'll talk soon. Take care. Bye-bye.